Hello everybody, Sorbeaten here and welcome back to another past paper practice video. In this video we will be tackling some algebra, so let's head straight into the first question. So it says, in the diagram above, not drawn to scale, the lengths in cm of the sides of the right angle triangle are x plus 2, 2x and 3x minus 2. So write down in its simplest form an expression for the perimeter of the triangle. So in order for us to find the perimeter, let me draw down a line here. In order for us to find the perimeter of this triangle, all we need to do is add all of the sides of the triangle. So we know side 1 here would be 3x minus 2. So this will be added to this side, which is 2x, plus this side, which is plus x plus 2. So the perimeter is equal to 3x minus 2 plus 2x plus x plus 2. I'm just removing all the brackets since everything is adding, no need to distribute anything. So next step, we put all of the like terms together. So this will be 3x. We group it with this 2x, so plus 2x. We group it with this plus x. And then we put back the minus 2. And then the plus 2. So the perimeter will then be equal to, so 3x plus 2x would be 5x, 5x plus x would be 6x, and negative 2 plus 2 would be 0. So the perimeter, the expression for the perimeter would be 6x. So you can say 6x. And the next one says, write down in its simplest form an expression for the area of the triangle. So we know area of a triangle, it's half base multiplied by the height. So in this case, it would be half multiplied by the base. The base in this case would be 2x. So half multiplied by 2x multiplied by the height, which would be x plus 2. So we'll have this half times 2x. This would be the same as half times 2 would be 1. So 1x is the same as x multiplied by x plus 2. So we want to be careful with this here. So what I'll do, I'll put this in bracket. I'll put x multiplied by x plus 2 in bracket because this x has to multiply everything. So we use the distributive law. So this would be the same as x multiplied by everything here. So we distribute. So x times x would be x squared plus x times 2 would be 2x. So an expression for the area of the triangle would be x squared plus 2x. Next one. So this question says, if the perimeter of the triangle is 24 cm, calculate the value of x. So we know that the perimeter is equal to 24 cm, and we found an expression for the perimeter to be 6x. We found this just now. So what we need to do, replace. So what we need to do, we know the perimeter will be, we add up all the sum, and this is the expression we get when we add up all of the sides. So we know 24 instead of perimeter is equal to, we'll say 24 is equal to 6x. All right, so then we solve for x. So the 6 is multiplying, we take it over divide, so we'll have 24 divided by 6 is equal to x. And therefore x is equal to 6 divided by 24 would give me 4. So the value of x is equal to 4. So if we have the value of x, next they're asking us to do, they're asking us to find the length of the longest side. So let me work that right here. So find the length of the longest side. So we say the longest side is always the side opposite the right angle. So we know the longest side is 3x minus 2. So we'll substitute x equals 4 in 3x minus 2. So we'll have 3, instead of x, we'll have 4, subtract 2. 3 times 4 is 12, subtract 2. 12 subtract 2 would give me 10. So the length of the longest side would be 10 cm. So we can say therefore the length of the longest side is 10 cm. And that would be our answer for this question. So with that, this has brought me to the end of this video. I trust that you have a good understanding of how to use the concept of perimeter and also algebra and also solve an equation to answer questions like these. So I wanted to use these concepts to keep practicing. And I'll see you in the next video in which I'll be looking at some more questions like these. So until then, keep practicing and take care.